Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear the AEXP cache on your Windows 11 computer. So the ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. That's responsible for resolving IP address to MAC address over your local area network. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type services. Open it. In services you need to search for routing and remote access. Press R for easily find it. Routing and remote access, double click on it, and if that service status is start or running, you need to stop it guys. You need to stop it and you need to change the startup type to disabled and click apply and OK. After that, close out of here, go to search menu again and cmd, type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now check my video description for this command guys, copy it. Just you want to copy that command, copy it, and after that tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. Press enter guys. You just need to come here, okay, and after that you close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. You should good to go guys. After that, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.